new Zenvo. You can even see the exposed suspension from the exterior. .350 on the speedometer. This car has pretty insane aero design. Just gonna walk around this car and talk over that copyright music and just gonna show you guys what this car looks like.
This 6.6 liter V12 with 4 turbos. So 1250 horsepower from that and 200 horsepower from an electric powertrain sitting on the gearbox. And that's not trying to create a hybrid car, that is more for performance. So fill out gear changes and reverse, so this saves the weight of the gear because we just use the electric powertrain.
9.5 is the red line?
Yeah, it's actually gone up a little bit, so it's not
okay.
But that's good.
How long have you been around?
It's 18, 15.
Super drivers, super clean, Scandinavian looking. Yeah.